Hey, James Wedmore here, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money on YouTube. So, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Yay! Money! So, you want to learn how to make money on YouTube? Well, in this video, we're going to give you the answer. In fact, there are actually 4 different ways that you can be making money on YouTube. However, I only recommend one, and that's the last one. So, let's go ahead and get started. Number 1, the first way you can make money with YouTube is through the Google AdSense program. The way this works is you simply monetize your account on YouTube, and then YouTube or Google, same thing, is going to start giving you money, a very small amount of money, based on the amount of views that you get. Now, if you activate the monetization on all your videos, what you'll quickly start noticing is that there are going to be ads everywhere. There's going to be banner ads on the side, there's going to be banner ads at the bottom. There's even going to be pre-roll video ads before your video even plays. So the question here is, should you do or activate the AdSense program or monetize your account? The answer is no, absolutely not. Here's the number 1 reason right now. Why would you want to send anyone away from your video? Why would you want your viewers to click somewhere else for just a few pennies? It's totally not worth it if you have a business. Now, here's the other thing about the AdSense program. I know a lot of friends who have some rather big channels on YouTube, way bigger than mine. I know someone who has over 12 million views on YouTube. They've activated every video for monetization, and they only make about $500 a month. Now, most people who are just getting started on YouTube could only dream of 5 million views. Here's someone who has made it and who's doing it and has thousands upon thousands of subscribers, and they make $500 a month. Can you really live off of $500 a month? No, you can't. This is why I totally do not recommend the AdSense program. So what do we do? Well, let's take a look at number 2. The second way you can monetize YouTube and make money with YouTube is through promoting, recommending, and reviewing affiliate products. Now, thanks to companies like Amazon and ClickBank and Commission Junction, I don't know why that sounded so weird, you can actually create videos where you recommend or review or do an open box reveal of a product that you use and like. And then in the video, you can use what's called an affiliate link, and you can get paid for that, which is absolutely awesome. Now, it's a whole different beast in and of itself, but it's a great way to make money without actually creating products of your own. So it's actually pretty cool. And I've done a few myself. You can go on my channel and see some of my review videos. Now let's take a look at the third way, or the third strategy for making money on YouTube. And this comes down to sponsorships. Now, you've seen this before. People will get a product placement. You know, it's in movies all the time. You see like a guy drinking Pepsi in your favorite Transformers movie. This is basically the same thing, where a company is paying you to display their product, wear their clothes, show off, use, etc. And they're just paying you a flat fee, or maybe there's some other type of relationship that you've created. Now, this is a nice strategy because it's kind of cool. If someone came to me and said, hey James, wear my shirt, I might consider it. But the thing is I already have a channel built up. So it's kind of the chicken before the egg, or the carriage before the horse, in that you have to already have a channel with views before you can start doing this, because a business owner isn't going to want to come to you and say, hey, I'll sponsor your channel with 3 subscribers and 11 views, right? So it's not necessarily the easiest thing to get sponsors, especially when you're getting started out, but you'll notice that once you're successful on YouTube, people will approach you. I promise you that. Now, those are the 3 main strategies that I see 99% of people that actually are making or trying to make money on YouTube are actually following. And ironically, this 4th one, which I've saved till the end, is the most effective way to make money on YouTube, yet so few people are doing it. It's what I've been teaching since the day I started teaching YouTube, and it's what I do in my business every day. And And it comes down to looking at YouTube as a lead generation source. If you're here, my ideal audience, the ideal person that I want to be talking to right now is a small business owner, which means they have a business of their own, whether it's online or offline, they already have a product, service, software solution. So that should be you. So you don't want to promote affiliate products, you don't want sponsors, you don't want to talk about ads and banners and pre-roll videos. You want to talk about your stuff. So the way you look at YouTube effectively is a lead generation source. So the way you end a video, every time you put something on YouTube, you don't sell them something, you don't check out affiliate products, you say, come get my free report, come get my free consultation, my free video series, my free training. Come click to my website to get a free quote to learn more. This way you get the traffic off of YouTube, you get them the heck off of YouTube, you get them to your site, you get them to give you their contact information, and then you follow up with them. That is the only way that I truly know how to make money on YouTube, and ironically, it's about making money off of YouTube. Getting people who are already on YouTube, watching videos, asking questions, learning, get them the heck off of YouTube and onto your site so that you can take them through your sales funnel. So that's it. That's this simple video. 4 ways that you can make money with YouTube, but as I just shared with you, there's only one. Now, you could be asking me, well, James, how do you do that number 4 step? How do you do that? Well, I'm gonna show you right now because I'm gonna do it in this video. If you found this video interesting, if you liked what I had to say and you wanna learn exactly how to do it, I put together a free report that I call the YouTube Traffic Report. It's a 35-page report where I walk you through step by step how I built a channel with over 1 million views and built a 6-figure business around that YouTube channel because I took people from awesome videos, well, I think they're awesome, to building my list and then taking them down a sales funnel. And I'm gonna show you exactly how I did that in this free report. To get that report, just click the link below this video, fill out your details on the next page, I'll give it to you absolutely free. No catch, nothing like that, but you get to see how I'm doing this by watching through the process yourself. Thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Do it again. Oh, I was ready. I don't want to do it anymore. How was that?